Hello students, welcome back. This is Juliet Lobo with the second unit of the poem On the Bridge. Before I begin with the third and fourth stanza of the poem On the Bridge, I will read the whole poem once again, then a quick recap of the first and second stanza. Okay, after that I will proceed with the third and fourth stanza. Okay, let's begin. On the Bridge by Kate Greenaway. If I could see a little fish, that is what I just now wish. I want to see this great round eyes, always open in surprise. I wish a water rat would glide slowly to the other side, or a dancing spider sit on the yellow flags a bit. I think I'll get some stones to throw and watch the pretty circles show? Or shall we sail a flower boat and watch it slowly float? That's nice because you never know how far away it means to go. And when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great wide sea. So there you are with the fourth stanza. I will just recap the first and second. Okay, in the first and second stanza, you remember we had learnt about how the speaker wishes to see a little fish, water rat, dancing spiders sitting on the yellow flags. I hope you remember all this. Now, let's begin with the third and fourth stanza. But before I begin, let's start with the vocabulary. Float, move on the surface of a liquid, that's water, without sinking. Pretty circles, ripples, wide, broad. Okay, now third stanza. I think I'll get some stones to throw and watch the pretty circles show. So here the speakers wishing to get some stones and throw it on the surface of the water. So she is able to see some ripples form on the surface of the water. She also wishes to sail a flower boat. Okay, and watch it slowly float. Now next, the speaker here says that's nice because you never know how far away it means to go, and when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great wide sea. Here next, in this stanza, the speaker wishes to sail a flower boat and watch it floating slowly, and the flower boat which is floating in the stream today, for all you know tomorrow, may be in the great wide sea. Okay, children? Yeah. So, with this, we end the poem. So, let's recap. I will just read the poem, the whole poem once again. So, let's recap. If I could see a little fish, that is what I just now wish. I want to see his great round eyes, always open in surprise. I wish a water rat would glide slowly to the other side, or a dancing spider sit on the yellow flags a bit. I think I'll get some stones to throw and watch the pretty circles show. Or shall we sail a flower boat and watch it slowly float? That's nice because you never know how far away it means to go, and when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great wide sea. Now, let's recap, children. Okay, now let's see. You remember some nouns I had spoken to you in the first and second stanza. Now here also, name few common nouns from the poem. Now these are from the third and fourth stanzas. Okay, stones, flower boat, sea. Coming to the next question, that is rhyming words. You remember? Now this is from the third and fourth stanza. They are throw, show, boat, float, no, go. Okay. Now you have homophones. Now in your poem, they are words which are pronounced the same, but meanings are different and even the spellings are different. Now on your screen, you have two words which sound the same. For example, S-E-E, S-E-A. Now in the first one, S-E-E, it's the eye, it is to perceive with the eye or to watch. Now S-E-A, it is relatively large body of salt water completely or partially enclosed by land. Now you may have gone to some of the beaches and definitely seen the sea in Mumbai, etc. Okay, now coming to assignments. Okay, children, now don't get bored like this kid. Okay, you all become irritated definitely. Now coming to assignment. Now you have to write the plural or for the given singular words. Okay, all these words are in the poem. On your left hand side, they are the singular. On your right hand side, you have to write the plural word of each. So this is how we go about eye, eyes, spider, spiders, flag, flags, stone, stones, sea, seas. Now coming to the next, name few nouns from the poem. Now I want you to write all the nouns from the first stanza to the fourth stanza. Okay. Now coming to the next question is complete the textual exercises of the poem on the bridge on page number 13. Next, students, read the poem and learn the difficult words. I hope you understood this poem, and with this we come to the end of the poem on the bridge. Goodbye for now and thank you. Hope to meet you in my next session.